you want from me, and I tried to buy your pretty heart, but price too high. Must be love on the brain, and it keeps cursing my name. No matter what I do, I'm no good without you, when I can't get enough. Must be love on a brain.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today this video is about unboxing. Yes, if you do follow me in Instagram, you do know that I received a package from Revlon Philippines. Yes, I am one of their lucky winners. In their Instagram page, they've selected or randomly drawn their followers, names of their followers in Instagram. Then they will send a few goodies to those who win, and I am one of the lucky ones. If you haven't checked Revlon's Instagram page, you can go to Revlon PH. That's their official Instagram page. I'll show you the picture that I was talking about. There you go. Do you see it? Yes, I was one of those lucky ladies that was tagged in this picture. I am going to share to you or show you on what I received. So dun, 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 dun. Here it is. I haven't opened it, I swear. I received it this morning and I haven't opened it yet because I want to share it with you. And if you notice, I'm not wearing any makeup on because I want to have a first impression in this goodies from Revlon. So I only wear my foundation, eyebrows, lipstick, and a little bit of concealer. Let's start. So here's the package. It's quite square. It's the address. And it's a box. It says Revlon Love is On. So there you go. As you open it, do you see it? Nice. Wow. I have one of these. Ooh, what's this? The Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. 5 lash transforming benefits. Nice. And this two Revlon, I know, one Revlon Balm Stain in the shade 045 Romantic 045 Romantic. I'll check the prices online or at the mall. I'll just put it at the description box. And the other one is Revlon Colorburst LACQUER Balm in the shade 125 Flirtatious. And this one, let's stare it. Can open it. Ooh. It's the Revlon PHOTOREADY 2-Way Powder Foundation. 170 Cool Beige. Nice. It has a mirror and the shade of the powder foundation and a sponge. We'll see. So let's take a picture. The packaging is so nice. Matte black siya. Ang ganda-ganda tignan. Then at the back, it says the shade color, expiration date, which is 12 months after opening. So there you go. They gave me the shade Cool Beige. So I'm gonna use the sponge that is included in the packaging. Mukhang darker siya sa akin. Yes, it is darker. A little bit darker on me. But it's okay. Wow, this is nice. The powder is very what do you call this? Fine, and it does have a coverage. You can actually use this alone. It seems to mattify my face. That's great. Amazing. I'm actually excited with this one. It is the Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. The 5 Lash Transforming Benefits. At the back, it says 501. Probably this is the shade. It says Blackest Black. Blackest Black. Mascara High Impact Formula delivers the ultimate 5 benefits in one. Volume, length, definition, lift, rich, intense color. Siya lang ang packaging. Alright, it says here Revlon, which is color red and plastic. The cap of the mascara has a glossy feel, while the body has a matte feel. Alright, so let's try. Let's try to open it. The wand or the tip of the mascara is bendable. So I curled my lashes. I'm going to apply the mascara. The consistency of the mascara is thick. It's not very wet, which is good. And the tip of the applicator is nice. Look at my lashes. It did lengthen my lashes. It did lift and volumize my eyelashes. So right now I'm going to try on their Revlon Colorburst LACQUER BALM in the shade 125 Flirtatious. It has a minty taste. The next is the Revlon Balm Stain in 045 Romantic. They both have the minty taste, and after a few minutes I can feel the, what do you call that, the cooling effect. It feels moisturizing and cool. So there you go. Those are the products or the makeups from Revlon Philippines. If you haven't checked their Instagram, go to Revlon PH. That's their official Instagram name. If you do enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again. Bye.